Hello, just going to make a teleport multiple levels game example in 5.21. Okay, now I'm going to go games, third person, and we'll call this levels, call this teleport levels. So one of the first things we need probably to decide is I'm going to make a new folder called teleport. In that folder I'm going to, just for an example, I will make a new level. We're going to file and save current as, and we'll go into teleport. Make a new folder, call it maps. So in there, I'm going to do level 1. So then I'll duplicate, make 5, just duplicate. There's 5 levels. I put a door package that I had downloaded to the Unreal Engine, but you can just use any sort of door frame that you can get from Sketchfab or anywhere. So in the teleport, first thing we've got to do is grab a blueprint numerator, and we'll call that map list. In here we put our levels. So I'm going to go level 1. Level 2. Level 3. Level 4. Level 5, and we can just save that. That tells the game how many different levels there are. Now we will make a blueprint class actor, and we'll call it teleporter. Opening that up, we can add a static mesh. Go over to here and then just type in door. So yeah, pick a door, looks good. There's the old standard door most people use. Okay. I've got teleporters and everything on here, but it doesn't matter about, this is just aesthetic, it's what you see. It's not important, but we add a collision box. And that's what matters. The collision box is what's basically going to be the trigger that gets people to go through the time warp, go through the teleporting. So we're putting that to cover the whole of the door. And we're going to add 2 variables. One is door ID. And that will be name. So I'll go up to there, and okay, and then the next one will be destination, and that will be the enum that we just put up. So that was called a map list enum, will be that one. Compile and save. Also, when we put those in, we've got to make them instantly editable. So going up to there and there. So we can move that over out of the piece for a while in level 1. So putting a door here. you'll find that you've got the door ID here. So being that we're in level 1, we'll call it level 1. But we want it to take you to level 2. So then we'll go back to our content, back to our teleport, our maps, and we'll go to level 2. Thing is, how we're going to know the difference? Going back to level 1, I'm just going to put a little block just to indicate it. So shape, I'll put 1, I mean level 1. Right, so we're going to level 2. So I'm going to port shape and put 2 cubes. Level 2. Alright, so from there, teleport, I'm going to drag in a door. Call this level 2. And destination is level 3. Then we can go back to our content, back to teleport, maps, go to level 3, save that. I'm going to add 3 cubes, basic shape. And then I'm going to put the door, call this level 3, want it to go to level 4, back into maps, we want level 4, and then we're going to shape, so I'm going to go for the cube, put it back a little bit, 2, 3, 4, and then I'll drop down a door. And this is going to be level 4. We want it to go to level 5. So then back to there, back into maps, sorry, and then we'll go to level 5 and shapes, drop down a cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Back in teleport, drop the door down. Okay, there's one other thing we've got to do as well that I've sort of forgotten to do. So this is level 5. We'll take it to back to us, go back to level 1. Also, I've got to put a basic player start. So we'll put the player start and point it towards the door. Okay, alright. Now going back to our maps, go to level 4 and basic no. Okay, player start, level 3. Player start, level 1. Nope. Player start. So, for this to work, what we have to do then is go into... Okay. Another file that we have to make is a game instance. So go up to your blueprint class, type in game instance, grab that one, select, call it my game instance, open it up. Then we have to add one variable, which is door ID, make that a name. Compile, save, and close that. Then we can go up to our edit, project settings, go to maps and modes, and you will find that you've got game instance. Change it to my game instance. We can close that off. That automatically saves. Now we have to go back to the teleporter door, and we want to grab the box and go down on the right hand side to on component begin overlap. So from here we're going to come out and cast to my game instance. From the object we shall have your get game instance. And then where we had our door ID, we're going to set that here. We'll join up those two. Actually, from there we'll go and type door ID, actually set door ID. So we'll get rid of that one. Put that one there, and we can join up those two. Then we're going to grab door ID and get it, and drag it up to there. And then we can go from here to open level by name. So then we want to grab a destination. Get destination, and because that's an enum, we have to go enum to string, and then we change that string to name. That brings us up so that we can connect there and there. Now we're level 2. Now we're level 3. Now we're level 4. Now we're level 5. And now we're back to 1. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have a simple teleportation system in 5.2. I hope that has been pleasurable and helpful to you. Anything else, please let me know. Thank you.